Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Coromon game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Coromon and start your search. Once you find the Coromon game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Coromon game on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the play button, which you can tap on to open up the game right away. Once you open up the game, you can start enjoying it with the ads. But if you wish to disable all of the ads, then you will need to subscribe for a premium subscription of Google Play Games. After you have subscribed to the Google Play Store Premium, then all of the ads within the game will be removed, and you will have the full version of the Coromon game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Coromon game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.